Welcome. Day 3. Once again, 3 exercises, 3 rounds. I'm going to focus on legs, lower back, and chest and arms. 3 exercises are lunges, good mornings, and push-ups. Here goes the timer. Starting with lunges. You can step forward or you can step back. I prefer to step back. Front foot should stay flat on the ground. If your heel is lifting, that means your step is too short. Nice long step. You can have the hands on your hips if that makes life easier for you. Or you can step forwards rather than stepping back. Just make sure the full of the front foot is flat on the ground. Good mornings. We're hinging at the hips. Make sure you do not round the lower back. We're aiming to go straight, so you're folding forwards. From there, till you feel the stretch in the back of the legs and come up. To add resistance, fold the hands across the chest, just like that. Hinging forward at the waist. Soon as you feel that pull in the hamstrings on the back of the leg, once you feel like that's tight, that's when you come up. Push up. 3 versions. Most straightforward is a box, like this. A little more challenging. Take the hands 1 step forward, bring the hips forward. Straight line from the knees through the shoulders. Or you can have the feet up like this. It's our middle version. If you're able to do the full push-up, by all means, go for it. Key thing with your push-up, always, we're looking for a bend at the elbow. The arm goes from straight to bent. We're back up for lunges. So I'm going to do a stepping forward lunge. Going to put the hands on the hips. Switching legs each time. You want this back knee to come almost to the floor, but not quite. So there's still that little bit of a space. You may feel a stretch on the front of the thigh along here. This is a good thing. Whether you step forward or backwards, entirely your own, up to yourself, whichever is most comfortable. Again, good mornings, hinging forward at the waist. Breathing on this one is whichever is comfortable. General rule of thumb is exhale on effort, but we're aiming for a nice smooth movement. That's the key thing here. Back to our push-ups. So if you're stuck between that middle variation and the full push-up, here's a trick to get you how to do it. Onto a full push-up, push up in that bottom position, get the toes down, lower down, get the knees down. Push, toes down, lift, lower. So you're building strength even as you lower down like this. Building strength and control. 2 rounds done and dusted. Round 3 are lunges. If you want to increase the intensity, you can reach up overhead with your lunge. Get a bit more cardiovascular effect on this. As you can probably hear, I'm exhaling on effort. Big effort on the lunge when you step up. And our good mornings again. So folding forward at the waist. Making sure you keep your backs nice and straight. Only go as far as you can keep your back straight. You lose a lot of the benefit once you round the back like that, so keep it straight. Should really feel that. Hamstrings, backside. Back down for our push-ups again. Last round. That wasn't so bad now, was it? So full push-ups for me this time. If you find the full push-ups are too easy, reach. Push up and reach. It'll help you get a little bit more of a workload in on legs. Just remember, nice big bend at the elbows every time. Keep the core nice and tight the whole way through. There we go. Day 3 done and dusted.